Welcome to English Study and News, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. Let's jump right in and start improving your English together today.
Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you. My name is Anna. What's your name?
Hi, Anna. Nice to meet you too. My name is Mark. I'm a little nervous, but I'm happy to talk.
That's okay. It's totally okay to feel nervous. We can talk slowly, no rush at all.
Thank you. That helps a lot. So, what should I say first?
Well, when you talk about yourself, you can start with something simple. For example, your name, your age, or where you are from.
Okay, I see. I'll try. My name is Mark. I am 30 years old. I am from Vietnam. I live in Ho Chi Minh City.
That's great. You're doing really well. Very clear, very natural.
Really? I thought it was not good.
No, it is good. Remember, simple English is good English.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Now, let me introduce myself too, so you can listen and maybe copy later.
Okay, I'm listening.
My name is Anna. I am 28 years old. I am from Canada. I live in Toronto, but right now I am traveling.
Oh, traveling? That sounds nice.
Yes, I love traveling. I like meeting new people, learning about new cultures, and hearing different stories.
I like that too, but I don't travel much.
That's okay. Everyone is different. You don't need to travel far to have a story.
That's true.
Now, let's talk about work. This is something people often ask. What do you do?
Yes. That question is common.
Exactly. So, I'll ask you first. Mark, what do you do?
Okay, I work as an office worker. I work in a small company. My job is not very exciting, but it is stable.
That's perfectly fine. Not every job needs to be exciting. Do you like your job?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. I like my coworkers, but the work can be boring.
That's very honest and very natural English. Good job.
Thank you.
Now, I'll answer too. I work as a language tutor. I teach English online. I really enjoy my job because I like helping people learn.
That's nice. You seem very patient.
Thank you. I try to be.
I hope one day I can speak English like you.
You will, if you practice a little every day and don't fear mistakes.
I'm afraid of making mistakes.
That's normal, but mistakes are not bad. They are part of learning.
I understand.
Now, let's talk about hobbies. This is a fun topic. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like watching movies. I also like listening to music. Sometimes I go for a walk in the evening.
That sounds relaxing. What kind of movies do you like?
I like simple movies, comedy movies. I like to laugh.
Me too. Laughter is important. How about music? What music do you like?
I like soft music, pop music, sometimes English songs, but I don't understand all the words.
That's okay. Listening is still very helpful. You're training your ears.
I never thought about it like that.
Yes, learning happens even when you don't notice it.
That's encouraging.
Now, I'll talk about my hobbies. I like reading books, I enjoy walking in the morning, and I like learning languages.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak English, a little French, and I'm learning Vietnamese.
Really? That's difficult.
Yes, very difficult, but also very interesting.
That makes me feel better about learning English.
Good. That's the idea.
Anna, can I ask you something?
Of course. Go ahead.
How can I talk about myself more confidently?
That's a great question. The answer is simple, but not easy.
Okay, I'm listening.
Practice saying simple things. Your name, your job, your hobbies. Say them again and again, out loud.
Out loud?
Yes, your mouth needs practice, not just your brain.
That makes sense.
Also, don't try to be perfect. Try to be clear.
Clear, not perfect.
Exactly.
I like that.
Now, let's practice once more. Pretend I'm a new person. Introduce yourself again.
Okay, I'll try. Hi, my name is Mark. I am 30 years old. I am from Vietnam. I work in an office. In my free time, I like watching movies and listening to music. Nice to meet you.
That was excellent. Very natural. Very clear.
Really?
Yes, you should be proud of yourself.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
That's the goal. One step at a time.
I will keep practicing.
Good. And remember, English is not about being perfect. It's about connecting with people.
I like that idea.
Me too. It was really nice talking with you, Mark.
It was nice talking with you too, Anna. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Take care and keep speaking.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.